Welcome to Saffron Collections. This is the synthetic top, and this is designed with Meenakari design, and this is especially digital printing. You can see it's very clear, and it is having variation in the designing. It is having hands with the design and center with white color designing, flower printing, and hands are unique and have completely full printing hands and side layers. Backside it is completely plain in yellow color. Yellow and blue is a very much lovely combination, and you can see the cloth is very soft, and you need not to iron it. Next one is orange one. It is in a peach color, which is also same in the Meenakari design. This is also digital printing one. It is showing the print is very clear. This is having the plain hands, and the body is full of design, and backside is very much plain. It is very supple peach color. It's very pleasant to eyes, and it's very soft also. The printing is won't go by machine wash also. This is digital print, and hands having the small pipings with a little bit dark color one. The back is plain, and cloth is very soft, and it won't wrinkle. You can wear without ironing also. After machine wash it will come for long time, and it's very soft in designing. It's very unique and very soft cloth. Next one, this is a red one. It is little bit having the golden print one. It is a foil printing, and it is perfect foil printing, and it won't go after washing in the washing machine also. It is having the maggam work, chemki work on the top of the neck. See, you can see the chemkis here with detailing. The black thread is given on the golden designings with chemki work. It is very shiny, and cloth is rayon, so it is very suitable for simple occasions, and it is very soft and clean work. The print is also very clean and neat. It is having little bit flare in the down part compared to body part. It's not look like normal kurti. It look like little bit flary from the waist to down. It is having very design. Next one is a khadi kurti. It is a formal kurti with khadi cotton. It is soft and very stiff cloth. It is having the tassel in the center as a statement piece, and it is all over having the ikat cloth as a patchwork with clean piping with light orange color, and down of the top is having design cut, round cut of the center. It very much suitable for the trendy jeans, and it is having the hands with very clean embroidery, machine embroidery work, and the piece is very formal and useful for the college, at the same time office wear. Backside it is very clear, and it is plain. At the center it is having the patch with pipings, and the cloth is very soft, and you can iron and you can starch it. The color won't fade, and it is very thick and very nice. It's very formal after wearing. You can pair with palazzos also. You can pair with legging also. And next top is a rayon top with cotton patches. It is a mixture of both cloths. Rayon black cloth and patchwork cloth is a cotton cloth. It's a unique piece of designer piece having 3 layers, yellow, black, and the printed cloth with yellow tassels. The tassels are very firm and very thick. The tassels comes at the waist part with a unique look, and these are having the beads at the attachments. It gives little bit cozy look, and having the thread work with beads and foils. It gives statement look like small beads and with small foils. And the back side it is plain one with black color. Center also black patch one side, and at the one side printed one, and the next side it is a yellow one. It's very nice and very looky. When you pair with yellow palazzos or yellow leggings, it's very cozy to wear. And next one is a blue one with the plain body part and with the printed remaining body part. At the shoulder part, it is having the blue color plain cloth. It's uniquely designed piece with the collar neck with fine finishing of piping, pink piping. It is cotton, soft cotton cloth. It's hand printed cotton cloth, very soft, and hands are having the gota patti work, the plain hands, and it is having the buttons on the center. Collar neck is very much finishy, and hands are 3/4 hands. In the center, it is having the printed one piping at endorsed into the center of the body. Next top is a black one. It is a different top. It is a princess cut top. It unique with the center because of the designed attachment is came at the center part, and remaining dress is completely plain, having the center part with a digital printing of tribal plants and trees and small animals printing, and unique strips lining with light sandal color and light yellow color and light orange color designings, and all are giving the tribal prints, and backside it is plain. This cloth is synthetic cloth, and it's very unique, and it gives the body to look very slimmer because of the center patch. The next one is the blue color rayon top. It is a golden printed foil printed top. It is having all over mandala designs with clean foil printing, the gold color shimmer printing. It is one side having, back side also it is having the mandala prints. One side, right side of the top is having buttons, and down it is having the slit. Because of the slit, it looks very cozy when you pair with the palazzos and jeans. It very nice, and it is having all over the buttons from one side, gives a trendy look to the top. And it is also having the 3/4 hands. It is very soft. It is a rayon cloth. It's very shiny. You can wear for the occasion, simple occasions, and mandala also will shine in the sunlight very nicely. In the lighting also it looks very elegant. If you pair with the gold color bottom or dupatta, it gives more trendy look to you. Next to top. So these are the tops for today. If you wish any top, you can contact our number in the description box. Once you WhatsApp anyone you like, you just screenshot it and you send me. I will go for the further process and everything. All are under 1000 rupees only. Within 5 days you can receive the product. Thanks.